Holy 10 Chematama coming through achinyomba ED ZANU-PF team yevarakasvigananda nevana vaED matwins naSewikini arikudedzera kuti muri mbavha dzevanhu ari kudedzera kuti it's not fear but it's respect at ZANU-PF. Don't try me. Anzi, you should have never given me your gifts. If you knew you could have taken them back. I've been working so hard to clean up ED's name. Makufunga kuti makangwara. Ari kudedzera kuti makatora mota dzenyu mukanditorera nemari, ndiri kuona zvamuri kuita asi ndini ndichishanda very hard. Saka ane vhidhiyo yake yaaita achinyomba ED ZANU-PF zvigananda nematwins naSewiki netererai munzwa zvakaoma. It's going to be a long weekend.
Imufunga ndikukutya. I'm on the first flight into Zimbabwe, Zima Kulaya. I'm on the first flight in. Dakuta chokwadi. Man dere ni. Sean, if your guys vakazozvizwa o vakazokudza zvamakandiita padheni pangu zvezvo ndikudzoka padheni papo. This time make sure you kill me. Make sure you kill me. And inandike ZANU-PF bro, inandikutye mese miri kuZANU-PF andikutye. Andikutye. Mirai zvamuri kuita izvozvo. The reason why I joined the ZANU-PF is because I was trying to clean the reputation and the image. And I was trying to clean the reputation in the zita ririko rakashata ndingano mnangagwa akabaiza Mugabe wakabaiza, and I said no, let me join it from the inside. Because the house divided against itself, it cannot stand. But mukandisa zvamakandisa vapana lokupedza imesi. Inini, I can end the ZANU-PF today. Nzati pedzere nguwena. Varambiki black out yorumiki wakapedza. Avamana munopera. Munopera.
Famo.
Ndivyo.
Wadi.
Ndakula down. Buda.
Kuri.
Andikotina badakisikusutwa bro.
Korupoboti.
I'm bigger than the ZANU-PF. I'm bigger than the ZANU-PF. I'm this the only reason one thing or anything is because I still respect the comrade, the commander of the defense forces, comrade D. Manangakwane. But the fan of Aki, I can say something. Into the holy team. It's a calling Gavri life, Yaki is 21 feet on that. Can I form Moody on that? Can I form Moody on for a life doing? Don't mess with me. Do not mess with me. Manzo, do not mess with me. And as one Dochka, let me tell you something. I will be in Harare, Mango. I'm not saying. I'm going to but I'm going to be in Harare. Mango, I need that blessed geezer. But that's a blessed geezer. Okay. In me, Auntie, Apana Doshka, Abana Zadoshka. In a blessed geezer. Okay. Mangwana, I'm on the first flight inside Harare. Yes, and if I take back all these over there. Don't know how. Yes, I'm a top guy. This guys. In fact, Jairi. Okay, in fact, Jairi. Messi. You don't know trust. Okay, in a blessed geezer.
What's up?
Yo, yeah, man. Man, it was something that you didn't know. After Emerson Mnangagwa, the senior, my father, the respect. Didn't do being right. You don't understand, but I'm your next president. Makanzwa zvana Chiwenga, makanzwa zvavakomana vana Mashakairi, Takwirei. Yes, we are with them. But let me tell you something. The next president after ED is me. Ini Munguzisam is me. Ende pandiri kupinda hapana ma-election. Ndakuvhutira ndakafunga ndakati I will say it again. Mirai mafaniro.